welcome to my channel. You are with the artist Rabia. Guys, nowadays we are working on Adobe Photoshop series for the beginners. In today's class we will learn about the option bar in the brush tool. So let's get started. From here you can see I have this layer 1. This is my background layer. I'm making another layer. I'm taking this move tool and with the help of this let's make a new layer. From here, if I go here or press B on my PC, you can get this brush tool. In this option bar I have which option? In this option bar I have the first option about the brush settings. Guys, I will make a separate video on the brush settings in the upcoming video, inshallah. So guys, the second option which I have here is about the mode. You can have the same mode option in the layer panel. Also you can see here normal, dissolve, darken, multiply, overlay, soft light and many other options. Guys, the brush works in the different aspects in the number of modes. For example, if I take a painting, I go into the file and let's select a picture from here. I'm selecting this picture to place here. I'm making its size a bit larger. Press enter. Guys, now see, if I click here into the modes, layer modes option, if I click here dissolve, if I click here darken, you can see the difference. Let's click on multiply. You can see it is blending the colors. Let's check the hard light. See, but I'm changing this to normal. Let's go into the brushes and see how the brushes works. I'm going here to dissolve. I've taken this yellow color from here. Guys, the brush will only mix the foreground color and the picture color and blend them together. Guys, I've clicked on harden. You can see it is blending the picture color and the brush color. See how this works. You can also go for see how this works. Guys, now you can see I have this picture right here. Now I will switch towards opacity and the flow. Guys, you can see here if I decrease the opacity and I'm selecting the color from here. I want to select the skin color, this color. Hit OK. Let's zoom out. I'm making the brush size smaller. You can see the opacity is quite low because this is 13. If I increase the opacity, it is bit how increased. Now if I do increase more to about 50%, guys, you can see this, the opacity is bit improved. Now if I show you the 100% opacity, you can see it works like this. It works like this. Now I will show you a very quick transformation. Guys, you can see now I have done this. I have the opacity option from here to 25. I want to show you another feature. If I click here, you can see the opacity is bit low, and if I click here once again, the opacity from here is multiplied to 25 by 2, about 50. If I click once again here, you can see the opacity here is 75, but if I click again here, the opacity is here about 100. Guys, now I wanna show you how this flow works. This I have taken flow to 54. From here, let's trace this. You can see this is also same like the opacity option. I'm taking the size to smaller. I want to show you one thing, guys. If I click here, you can see this flow works like this. If I click once again, if I stop the brush, stop my mouse, and I paint once again here, you can see it will multiply. If I paint once again, you can see this is multiplying again and again. If I release the mouse and I work again, you can see I'm pressing Ctrl Z to undo. Now I will do a very quick transformation of this drawing. Completed. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you had learned a lot from this video. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is Rabia signing off. Allah Hafiz.